There is an untangling that is coming. I see yarn that has been tangled up. It's been knotted. It's got lots of knots in it so that it becomes very difficult to untangle. And the Lord's saying, in this month of April, I'm beginning to untangle things that have felt stuck. I'm bringing my order where there has been confusion. I'm bringing movement where things have been delayed. I'm loosening the things which have been tight. I'm straightening them out. Do not be afraid, but know that I am with you. I'm lifting from you the weights that have pulled down your heart, the things which have felt so complicated. You've wondered why things have become so complicated, why things that should have opened have remained shut. Know that I am with you. Do not lose heart, for this is not the end. This is a time of transition as I bring an untangling in your life. I'm clearing the path which is before you. I'm sorting out the things which have been crossed over. I'm bringing clarity to the decisions that you're making. I'm bringing my peace where there has been inattention. I'm giving you my wisdom in the midst of uncertainty so that you will know the way forward. For my word is a lamp unto your feet. Do not try to force things in your own strength, lest they become more tangled. But come close to me and listen to my voice, for I will show you each next step. I am the one who is with you, the one who cares for you more than you know. Trust in me that I'm bringing you into a place of peace. Where there has been confusion, I'm giving you understanding. Know that I am with you, and that I am the one who is turning things around in this month of April. I'm bringing the clarity that is needed, giving you my peace. Walk with me, stay close to me, for I'm lifting the burdens from your heart. I'm bringing an awareness of my presence amidst the circumstances of life. I am the one who is with you, bringing my heavenly order, making straight the road before you. Do not fear, but draw into my presence. Stay close to me, for I am the Lord who is restoring, the Lord who is making you new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.